How are you, sir?
Okay, I am fantastic. How about you?
I'm also fantastic.
First of all, just I welcome you आलम जी in this live session of India English बोलेगा अभियान। अगर आप अंग्रेजी पढ़ सकते हैं तो बोल भी सकते हैं और ठान लिए तो डेफिनेटली बोलेंगे। This is सूरज कुमार, founder of India English बोलेगा अभियान, as well as writer of Basic to Advanced Spoken English course PDF ebook. Please introduce yourself.
This is Alam, and I am from Uttar Pradesh district, Moradabad. I have done post-graduation in commerce, and I am a digital marketer. I am also YouTuber, but I create content in different domains. Yeah, and my hobbies are reading the book and learning something new every day.
And you are the part of India English बोलेगा अभियान. You are in the group. Then how do you think that this group is helping or not?
Yeah, this group is helping a lot because before in my early stage when I was very beginner, so didn't have partner to speak English, but I read and listen a lot to research the content for my YouTube channel, but I didn't have partner so that I can produce the output with them. But this group provides so many partners, and I message in this group and find the partner and start speaking with them. I think this group is helping a lot, and I appreciate your efforts also because I
Thank you,
think have you
thank you,
created
thank
this
you.
group?
Yes. I have created this group because you know that I tell you about myself. I was from Hindi medium school, yes, and
Hmm.
speaking this language, it was a dream for me. And
Hmm.
many hurdles just I faced in my life because you know that if your parents, your I think friends, circles, and all the members of your connected and they don't speak English and you don't have practice partner, really just you feel frustration. Yes, that time.
Hmm.
And if you want to learn this language, then you know that you need partner because without doing
Yes.
the practice, you can't be fluent. This is the
Hmm.
reality. Yes, plenty of knowledge you have that does not matter. Plenty of
Yes.
knowledge you have that does not matter because every practical work you need to do the practice. As much as practice you will do, that much your fluency, your confidence, and your tonality, everything it will be changed. Yes,
Hmm.
that's why it is very important. That time just I was finding partners and really I was not finding, and really that time just I was not feeling well. That's why I thought I would create like this group where the people they can help each other, they can practice each other, and really it became so popular nowadays. You know that more than 150 members are there. And
Wow.
when I started, really it was only 10 to 15 members. It was there, but gradually just it started adding the people, and now more than 150 I think participants are there. I really appreciate them that really they are learning this language. India English Bolega Abhiyan, it is a great dream to change the India because English is an international language, as we know that if you know how to express your ideas in this language, it's mean that you will be national to international. Your life will be
Hmm.
totally changed.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
So I think sir, as we message in this group, so generally we have basic conversation like tell me about yourself and what do you do, what is your vision, what do you want to achieve in your life. This type of question generally we ask. But I think we should create different type of group like group discussion and debate type of group, so that we can put our thought into that group among so many people like 4 to 5 people, and that's why if we discussion among 4 to 5 people, so we can get fluency and we will improve our thinking power also. So I think you should create these type of group so that people can
For
participate.
that, yes, you are right. This kind of I think things we require because you know that if we want to learn this language, we need to discuss. That is
Discuss
discuss many
for,
many
for
topics
debate
and
also,
in
for debate
different
also.
types of different, yes, different types of topic when we discuss. Then our fluency and debate power. What is our I think communication skill? It improves. Yes,
Mm.
what is in your mind, and you have to remember. That's why just I have started India English Bolega Abhiyan. India English Bolega Abhiyan, there is a one training program where the learners, beginners, and they want to learn this language. They join. Just I give them training that how to talk in English and Hindi to English. It is based on Hindi to English. That's why I have created many groups and just personally just I train them that you can speak English. And one of those the training I would like to provide you here. Would you like to play with me Hindi to English rapid fire? Really, it will help you a lot.
Yeah, I am agree. I am ready.
हाँ, very good. Super. तो आई एम एग्री आपको नहीं बोलना है, आपको बोलना है आई एग्री। ठीक है।
I agree. Okay.
आई
I
एग्री।
agree.
एग्री जो है एक वर्ब है, तो आई के
Hmm.
साथ आई एम एग्री नहीं होगा, आई एग्री मतलब मैं सहमत हूँ या फिर मैं सहमति
Okay.
देता
Okay.
हूँ, सहमत।
Hmm.
तो आपको इस बारे में कैसे पता चला? आपको इस बारे में कैसे पता चला?
I have to translate this sentence into English.
हाँ, यस यस, यू हैव टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश। मैं हिंदी बोलूंगा, आपको इंग्लिश बोलना है, ठीक है? रैपिड फायर। अगर
Uh,
आप कोई मिस्टेक करेंगे आपको बताएंगे, जिससे कि आपको ऑन द स्पॉट जो है आपका जो गलती है वो सही हो जाएगा और आप सीख जाएंगे। ठीक है।
I think how
तो
did you know about it?
हम्म
Or from where do you know about it?
फ्रॉम, आपको इस बारे में कैसे पता चला? तो हाउ डिड यू कम टू नो अबाउट दिस?
From the
हाउ डिड यू कम टू नो अबाउट दिस? आपको इस बारे में कैसे पता चला? अरे भाई तुमको क्या बताएं, अरे भाई तुमको क्या बताएं।
Hey brother, uh, आपको क्या बताए? What
हम्म
should I tell you? Hey brother, what should I tell?
हाँ, व्हाट शुड आई टेल यू या फिर व्हाट टू टेल यू, आपको क्या बताएं। ठीक है। हाँ, मेरा दोस्त राजू है ना, मेरा दोस्त राजू, वह मुझे बताया था।
My brother Raju मुझे बताया था. He told me
जब मैं उसके घर गया था।
when I went to his home,
व्हेन आई वेंट हिज होम।
his home.
होम से पहले आपको टू नहीं लगाना, ठीक है? व्हेन आई वेंट हिज होम। वह कहने लगा, मेरे दोस्त तुम इतने दिनों बाद क्यों मेरे घर आते हो?
He said, why did you come to my home after a long period of time?
वह कहने लगा, तो इसको बोलेंगे ही बिगेन टू से। ठीक है। वह कहने लगा, ही बिगेन टू से।
Hmm.
बोलिए, वह कहने लगा।
He began to say, why did
वह
you
जाने
came to
लगा।
my home?
हाँ
He began to
हाँ
go.
हाँ, वह जाने लगा, वह बोलने लगा।
He began to say, speak,
ही बिगेन टू स्पीक, वह बोलने लगा, ही बिगेन टू स्पीक।
speak.
वह वह नाचने लगा।
He began to dance. Sorry. He
डांसिंग
began
नहीं,
to
सिर्फ
dance.
डांस। ही बिगेन टू
Dance.
डांस, वह नाचने लगा।
Hmm.
लेकिन मुझे वहां जाना पड़ा।
But I would have to go there.
नहीं 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 नहीं, मुझे वहां जाना पड़ा तो इसको बोलेंगे आई हैड टू गो
I
देयर।
had to
मुझे
go.
वहां जाना पड़ा, आई हैड टू। हाँ, कोई भी कंपल्सन पास्ट में हुआ था तो उसके लिए हैड टू का
Hmm.
इस्तेमाल आपको करना है। ठीक है। मुझे
Okay.
आपसे माफी मांगनी पड़ी।
I had to go. माफी मांगना. I
हम्म,
think
माफी मांगना का होता है अपोलोजाइज। मुझे
apologize.
आपसे माफी मांगनी पड़ी है, मुझे आपसे माफी मांगनी पड़ी।
I had to apologize to you.
वेरी गुड। आप वहां कैसे पहुंचे?
How did you go there? How did you reach there?
हाउ डिड यू रीच देयर? मैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ उनकी बाइक से गया।
I went with my friends by their bikes.
ऑन देयर बाइक। बाइक से जाएंगे तो ऑन देयर बाइक, क्योंकि उसके ऊपर
On
बैठते
their
हैं
bike.
फिर जाते हैं। ऑन देयर बाइक। वे लोग रोज मुझसे बातें करते हैं।
They talk with me every day.
और मैं आपसे रोज बातें करता हूँ।
I talk to you every day.
आपको मुझसे बात करके कैसा लगता है?
Mm, how do you feel after talking to me?
वेरी गुड। जब मैंने आपसे बात किया मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा।
When I talk to you, I feel good. I felt good.
आई फेल्ट वेरी नाइस, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। आई फेल्ट वेरी नाइस।
Or we can say I felt
हम्म,
amazing. Yeah.
हाँ, ये भी बोल सकते हैं, आई फेल्ट अमेजिंग, मुझे बहुत बढ़िया लगा, बहुत बढ़िया। ठीक है। तो आप यह कैसे सीखें? आप यह कैसे सीखें?
How did you learn or how learned it?
हाउ डिड यू लर्न दिस? आप इसे कैसे सीखें? हाउ डिड यू लर्न दिस? मेरे दोस्तों ने मुझे सिखा दिया?
My friend teach me.
नहीं नहीं, टीच का वर्ब तो होता है टॉट, तो माय फ्रेंड्स टॉट मी,
My friend
मेरे
taught
दोस्तों ने
me.
मुझे
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
हाँ, मेरे दोस्तों ने मुझे सिखा दिया, माय
My friend
फ्रेंड्स
taught me.
टॉट मी। ओके, थैंक यू आलम जी, आई होप जस्ट यू लर्न समथिंग, कुछ तो आपको सीखने को मिला होगा, and it was amazing conversation with you, and thank you for joining this amazing
But
session.